5 surprising things your postpartum body is trying to tell you. Hi, I'm Navdeep Kaur from Emerald Hills Physio in Sherwood Park. You have had the baby, but your body is sending strange signals. Leaking, back pain, pressure, fatigue, mood swings. Let's unpack 5 surprising things your postpartum body might be trying to tell you and why they are more important than you think. 5 messages from your postpartum body. Number 1. I am leaking. Help! Leaking when you sneeze, laugh, or exercise is not just a small issue. It's a signal that your pelvic floor is out of sync. It could be weak, tight, or simply not coordinating well. Ignoring it can lead to worsening bladder control or even pelvic organ prolapse. Number 2. I am exhausted, but it's more than sleep. Yes, new moms are tired, but deep persistent fatigue may be linked to poor breathing mechanics, postural strain, and energy-draining core weakness. Physio helps by retraining your body to move efficiently again so you can conserve energy. Number 3. I feel heaviness down there. That's dragging or bulging feeling is often a sign of pelvic organ prolapse. It means your pelvic support system needs rebuilding. Don't wait. The earlier we intervene, the easier it is to manage. Number 4. My belly won't flatten, no matter what I do. If your tummy bulges or domes when you sit up, you may have diastasis recti, abdominal separation. Crunches and planks can make it worse. You need deep core retraining, and we'll teach you how. I don't feel like myself. Pain, fatigue, and physical discomfort affect your mental and emotional state. You are not being dramatic. Your nervous system is stressed. Gentle physio, movement, and even breathing strategies can help restore that mind-body balance. Let's try a self-check exercise together. Place one hand on your lower belly and one on your chest. Take a slow breath in. Notice where the movement happens. If your chest is rising more than your belly, you are shallow breathing. Try to shift the breath lower. This activates your diaphragm and core. How Emerald Hills Physio supports postpartum healing? At Emerald Hills Physio, we help decode what your body is trying to say and give you tools to respond. We offer pelvic floor rehab, core and posture retraining, prolapse and incontinence care, manual therapy and nervous system support, personalized recovery programs for moms. It's time to listen to your body. If your body is whispering or shouting, don't ignore it. Let's listen, understand, and heal. Book your postpartum session with me at Emerald Hills Physio in Sherwood Park. What other moms are asking? What if I don't know what's wrong? I just feel off. That's okay. Many moms feel this way. We do a full body assessment to figure out and what's really going on. Do I need a referral to see you? No referral is needed. Just call or book online. What if I had my baby a year ago? Is it too late? It's never too late. Healing can start anytime, and many moms come in long after delivery. If this video helped, like, subscribe, and share it with a mom who needs to hear this. You deserve to feel strong, supported, and heard.